Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to study a very interesting story, that is Pandora's Box, from your book Fragrance English Reader. So open your books at chapter number 8. By the end of this video, you will be able to express story in your own words. You will be able to understand the meanings of difficult words and phrases. You will be able to answer the related questions. So first of all, I will discuss with you brief summary of the chapter. This is a story about a box that was gifted by God Mercury to Pandora and Epimetheus. He warned them never to open the box, as she was very curious to know what was inside the box. She opened it. The moment she opened it, a swarm of ugly creatures came out. Pandora felt pain and sorrow for the first time in her life. She opened the box again. Now students, do you know what happened next? To know this, let's discuss the detailed summary of the chapter. When the world was first created, there was no sadness or pain. Gods used to come to earth to talk and walk with humans. One afternoon, a man called Epimetheus and his wife Pandora were tending to their flower garden. They saw God Mercury approaching towards them with a wooden chest on his shoulders. He looked tired, so they helped God in keeping the chest on the ground tied with golden cords. God asked them to take care of the box while he went on an errand. He warned them not to open the box under any circumstances. As God went off, Pandora and Epimetheus heard some strange voices outside. Epimetheus went outside. Pandora realized the sounds from inside the chest. She reminded of the god's warning, but the voices sounded pitiful. Then she undid the gleaming cords and opened the chest. At once, thousands of horrible, tiny moth-like creatures in the form of pain, misery, death flew up out of the chest in a swarm. They fluttered all over Pandora's skin. For the first time in her life, Pandora felt pain and regret. She cried and slammed the lid back down onto the chest. When Epimetheus came inside, the little creatures bit him and flew off through the window into the world. Due to anger, the couple argued with each other. Suddenly, they got interrupted with a high voice from the chest, which assured to help them. Epimetheus forbade Pandora, but she opened the lid the second time. A single shining spirit like a beautiful butterfly fluttered out. It was hope that fluttered their skin and soothed their stinging wounds. Then it darted out of the window after the evils. Luckily, hope has stayed with us ever since. Now let's begin with the reading of page 57. But before that, we will mark the word meanings and phrases on that page. So come to first word, created. C-R-E-A-T-E-D. Created, which means made or produced. Our next word is tending. T-E-N-D-I-N-G. Tending. It means taking care of something. Our next word is approaching. Now let's do the breakup. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G. Approaching. It means coming nearer. Our next word is chest. It means a large strong box. Now come to next word, worn out. It means looking very tired. Our next word is errand. Let's do the breakup. E-R-R-A-N-D. Errand. It means a journey to bring something. Now come to next word, heaved. H-E-A-V-E-D. Heaved. It means pull something with efforts. Our next word is circumstances. C-I-R-C-U-M-S-T-A-N-C-E-S. Circumstances. It means conditions. Now come to page 58. In the first paragraph, there is a word frowned. F-R-O-W-N-E-D. Frowned. It means to show displeasure. So we are done with the word meanings. So now we will mark the phrases for better understanding of the page. So come to first phrase, light and laughter. It means रोशनी और हंसी का. Our next phrase is to walk and talk with the humans. It means लोगों के साथ चलने और बात करने को. Our next phrase is on the earth. It means धरती पर. Now come to next paragraph. In the second line, there is a phrase to their flower garden, which means उनके फूलों के बाग को. The next phrase is on his shoulders, which means उसके कंधों पर. Come to next phrase, onto the ground, which means ज़मीन पर. Our next phrase is with golden cords, which means सुनहरी रस्सियों के साथ. Now come to next paragraph. There is a phrase on an errand. It means एक काम पर. In the last line of the page, there is a phrase under any circumstances, which means किसी भी हालात में. Come to page 58. There is a phrase in a low voice, which means एक धीमी आवाज में. So let's begin with the reading of page 57. When the world was first created, it was a happy place of light and laughter. There was no such thing as sadness or pain. The sun shone every day and the gods came down from heaven to walk and talk with the humans who lived on the earth. So, it is a story of that time when the world was first created and there was happiness all around. Gods used to come to earth to walk and talk with the humans. One afternoon, a man called Epimetheus and his wife Pandora were outside tending to their flower garden when they saw God Mercury approaching. He was bowed down by a dark wooden chest that he was carrying on his shoulders, and he looked hot and tired. Pandora rushed to get the worn-out god a cool drink while Epimetheus helped him lowered the chest onto the ground. It was tied with golden cords. So, one day, God Mercury came to Pandora and Epimetheus when they were watching over their flower garden. Suddenly, they saw God Mercury approaching towards them. He was looking tired as he was holding a wooden box on his shoulders. Pandora served him cool drink and Epimetheus helped him in lowering the chest onto the ground. On the basis of what we have read till now, you will be able to answer these questions. How was the world when it was first created? Who used to come down on the earth to walk and talk with the humans? What were Epimetheus and Pandora doing when God Mercury came? What was God Mercury carrying on his shoulders? Continuing further, my friends, would you do me a great favor? Sighed Mercury. It is so hot today and the box is very heavy. May I leave it here while I go on an errand? Then God Mercury thanked the couple and requested them to keep the wooden box. Of course, you can, smiled Epimetheus. Epimetheus and the god heaved the chest indoors. Then Mercury said, no one, under any circumstances, must open the box. Epimetheus agreed to help. Then they both lifted the box and kept it indoors. After that, the god instructed the couple not to open the box under any circumstances or in any situation. Now come to page 58, first paragraph. Don't worry, laughed Epimetheus and Pandora, and they waved the god off through the trees. All of a sudden, Pandora stopped still and frowned. Listen, Epimetheus, she said in a low voice. I am sure I heard someone whispering our names. After instructing the couple, the god left. As the god left, Pandora heard some strange voices from the box. On the basis of what we have read till now, you will be able to answer these questions. What did the god hand over to couple? Where did Epimetheus and the god heave the chest? What warning did God Mercury give to Epimetheus and Pandora? So students, today we have discussed the brief summary and detailed summary of the chapter Pandora's Box, understood the meanings of difficult words and phrases, and read page 57. I hope you all have understood till what we have done today. Now you have to read this page again for better understanding of the chapter, and you have to learn the word meaning sentences given on page number 56. Also, you have to follow your SNAP homework schedule. So stay tuned with us to see what happened next.